Here we go. Oh my gosh, we're recording already. Okay. So, hey, it's your boy. It's your boy Dominic. So, I'm starting this new YouTube series called The Railfan of the Metro Line. Yeah, I'm railfanning the Metro, like Metro commuter line in Washington, D.C. Yeah. And I'm currently in like my station, like like uh Cleveland Park station, and just going to be recording trains rolling up and down the line, that kind of thing. Going to be showing you the older cars that I've been with since 2006, called the Chocolate Stripes, and the newer cars that just came around 2017, called the Silver Meteors. So, yeah, we just gotta wait for a train to show up, and the supposed Shady Grove Limited is due right now. So, we'll just watch and wait. We'll see which cars come with it. And that lady over there just assaulted me. I call these trains like the Glenmont Flyer, which is on this track, and the Shady Grove Limited, which comes on this track. I take the Glenmont Flyer to get to school, and the Shady Grove Limited to get back. And it's due in a minute, so we just gotta wait till she comes around the corner. Oh, there's the rumble. Here is the Glenmont Flyer. And this time, the Glenmont Flyer consists of the new silver cars. I call them the Silver Meteors. And here, on the track 2, is the Shady Grove Limited. Also with new silver cars. I mean, these cars are like still a new thing on this line. Hi, Mr. Engineer. I'm a common occurrence on this line.
Set up to allow customers to register. When more speed moves to the center of the car, this is your red line train to the Glen line. The next stop is
Comedy.
Set back.
And there goes the Glenmont Flyer. And here is the Shady Grove Limited.
Red line train to Shady Grove. The next stop is
These new cars are very classy. Very classy. I mean, just look at the interiors. People can even bring their bikes on board. Well, those are the silver cars I've showed you. Now we just gotta wait for a train with, I don't know, the chocolate stripe cars to show up. Now these chocolate stripe cars have a brick brown stripe across the middle, and they're painted gray with red, white, and blue on each end car. They come in packs of 2, which it normally takes about 8. It takes about 4 sets of these cars to fill one of these platforms. While for the new cars, it takes only 2 sets to fill a platform. Just gotta wait for another train. Oh, the Glenmont Flyer's due in a minute, so might as well wait for that. Sometimes I like recording videos like this. Brings character. Why don't we take a seat? Here's the train. The chocolate stripe cars. Now, these cars have the big brown stripe in the middle. That's why I call them chocolate stripes. And these cars are very old. And normally, about 6 of them pull into this platform. Here's one of these, and here's the end car. This one's 6014. They have this chocolate. They have these stripes here, and these cars are pretty old. I mean, they just had their tile floors because, well, the Metro thought this was getting old. So, yeah. These used to have carpets, but they were ripped up. But some of the cars still need their carpets. Departure. Hey, wait for me now! Come on, guys! Oh look, here's the other train. And these also have chocolate striped cars. Really wonderful cars. Now here's the dark brown and the light brown stripes. If you look inside, it's not as modern as the silver ones are. And even the bell's old. I always have a talk with the engineers. Hey, they know me very well. Well, I'm just introducing myself to this line. And that is episode 1 of the railfan, the Metro railfan. Episode 2 will come out at least a few days, at least when I decide to make an episode 2. Gotta go. Bye. See you next time. Yeah. Have a swell day. Peace.